Hello everyone, welcome to my hobby table, and in this video we're going to take a look at Chaotic Lab CNC door mount kit. My one came in black, Chaotic Lab have sent it free of charge. Chaotic Lab usually does very good job making CNC parts, and we use them in Voron 3D printers. This one will be used on Voron Trident. Nothing much to say, let's open the box and see what we have inside. The package is pretty straightforward, just a foam, you have a couple of stickers, you have 4 hinges, very nice anodized black aluminum piece, quality is superb. Let's take a look what else we have in the package. 4 hinges and those are magnets for the doors to close up. Very nice strong magnets, some screws and 4 door pieces. Nothing else in the box. You can see right here the quality of those pieces. Very nice. So before I install those hinges, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this red logo. My printer has black, green and purple theme, and this red logo doesn't fit anywhere. So I'm going to try and cover that with black nail polish that one of the friends gave me, and we'll see how it will turn out. Let's try to do it. And this is one of those times when you feel like a complete idiot. So far, I don't really like how it's turning out. Look at this beautiful red color last time, as we are going to remove it. After trying to clean nail polish with alcohol, I noticed acetone smell and realized that paint probably fused with nail polish. And the only way to go was to scrape the paint with the help of the acetone. I soaked logo in the acetone and paint came out super easily without any elbow grease. I don't know why I haven't done it right away. Live and learn. That is much better. I really like the way it turned out. It took me about 30 to 40 minutes to scrub everything in with acetone, but I really like how it turned in. Let's install those. So this is how magnet's supposed to be installed. You put it on the bottom of your extrusion and you have stainless steel bolts in the kit, which are attracted to this magnet, and they will be on the other side of the panel. Looks good. For the bottom piece I will have to take that thing out. I will print another one of those. It's supposed to be installed this way. When time came to clean up the doors, I'll come back whenever I'm done. Probably we'll need to figure out how to drill those as well without cracking. Drilling panels was actually pretty straightforward. I used my precision blocks to align parts with the panel and using 1/8 inch drill bit slowly drill to the panels. Main goal here not to apply too much pressure, as you are close to the edge and panels can easily crack. And here you can see the hinge problem. If I will put it in all the way, those standoffs are not long enough and the hinge is wobbling. So if I will tighten it all the way through, you can see how right now hinge is under the angle. So you need to figure out what to put in there. The original hinge right here does not have such problem. If you put it in, there's no way it's bending. Chaotic Lab, I think you guys need to make it a bit longer, so it would be standing in there instead of wobbling like that. To prevent hinge bending, I have installed little brackets out there. This is 1.2 millimeter thick and it makes the whole hinge perfectly flat with the extrusion. And now there is no problems with doors closing. Those magnets are super powerful. I think they overpowered for what we need right here. and they're actually holding up pretty well. There's another problem that you have 2 hinges right now instead of 3, and your corners are flopping out. You need to install some kind of seal right here in order to prevent this from happening. Other than that, the whole thing is set up and working, and I will design and print custom parts right here that will wrap around the hinge and give us opportunity to support the hinge in the base. So reviewing those hinges, I actually got a lot of things for Coyote Club to improve here. First one, make this plate thicker and hide the balls. For product that worth 35 bucks, this is bad. Then why we don't have this piece flat? And another problem, why do we have to have a shims out there in order to keep those hinges flat? Those are problems I think you must fix. And other than that, I really like the look of it. I really like the way how removing logotypes turned out to be. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I see you at the next one. Bye bye.